In this video, I'll be showing you how to add, multiply, and divide in Microsoft Excel. Let's say you want to add all the number of apples sold in all the farms. Click on a cell, equal to, sum, S-U-M, bracket, select all the values you want to add, close bracket, press enter. As you can see, we sold 50 apples in all the farms. Now let's say you want to figure out the revenue each farm generated. What you would need to do is multiply this number by this. So let's do it. Equal to, select the number, asterisk, this means multiply, and select the other number. Press enter. As you can see, we sold 3 apples, $1 each. Total revenue is $3. Now, I could do the same for all the farms, but the fastest way to do it is go to the bottom right corner and drag all the way down to farm F. Now you see we have the revenue for all the farms, which is number of apples sold times the price. 5 times 80 cents, $4. Now let's figure out what the total revenue is. Let's do the same sum formula, equal to, sum, bracket, select all the values you want to add, close bracket, enter. So total revenue is $47.30. So we sold 50 apples and we earned $47.30 in all the farms. Now let's say I want to figure out the average price of an apple that we sell in all the farms. Equal to, average, bracket, select the values you want to average, close bracket, press enter. So 92 cents is the average price of an apple if you wanted to buy an apple from one of these farms. Now let's figure out how much revenue we made with each apple sale. What we would need to do is get the total revenue and divide it by number of apples sold. Equal to, select the total revenue, / to divide by the number of apples sold, and enter. So every apple we sold, we made 95 cents.